I've got a messy microwave and it needs cleaning, so let's get it started. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am tackling the chaos that comes from a messy microwave. And I will say I did have a lid on my bowl of clam chowder. I heard this loud popping and carrying on, and I thought, what the heck's going on? And the clam chowder was starting to kind of sputter. So I took that plastic lid off and I put a napkin over it, thinking that would do the trick. And the next thing I know, there is an explosion in my microwave. There is clam chowder all over the door, all over the inside of the microwave, and now I need to clean it up. So one of the first things I'm going to do is wet a paper towel and put it in the microwave and let it run for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half, and that'll kind of help loosen any debris that's in there. After that, I should be able to wipe it out fairly easily. I mean, there was literally an explosion in this microwave. There's the microwave all freshly cleaned up. I am so glad I got that microwave all cleaned up. It didn't take very long. It was more annoying than anything else. But I mean literally the clam chowder exploded in the microwave. And I was really concerned about there being kind of a fishy odor in the microwave. So this is what I used to clean it up. I used some Austin's cleaning vinegar. I figured that would give me a nice, fresh, clean scent after it was all wiped out. So now here's a question for you. What do you do when you have a mess to clean up in your microwave? What's your go-to solution? Let's get a good conversation going, because sometimes the best ideas come from right here in the TNT community, and you just might have the answer that another member needs. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children, I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to know more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you next time.